It's time to make money, guys. This is how much I have earned recently using this, and you can do the same. Money is really out there, we just have to work for it, but this work is very easy. Just make sure to watch how exactly this method works so you don't lose your time. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, this is Rapid Workers, and as they say, let's get it done. Let's get it done, guys. Let's earn some money just like these people are doing. They are earning a lot of money here, so we can do the same. As you can see, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, and most of all, it simply works, guys. You can come here and you can browse different micro jobs. You can select jobs which you like, and then you can finish them and earn money, guys, and so much more. You can get PayPal, and as you can see, these people are earning every minute, guys. So for example, this one, he signed up on some insurance form, and that's it, guys. That's how simple this is. All you have to do is click here on sign up now, and it's gonna open this simple form where you just have to enter your name, your email address, your password, and choose your country over here. And you can see that it works in every country out there. It doesn't matter where you live, you are able to get some money for yourself using this website. So for example, if you are from North Korea, you can do that as well. Just enter your information and just beware of this, guys. Using VPN or other type of masking IP software is forbidden, guys. You can get banned, and you can use same IP with other accounts to do tasks. Also, you can't have multiple accounts, and as you can see, all of these will get you eventually banned, and if you got banned, don't waste your time making another account. So guys, play by the rules and get yourself some money fairly. As you can see here, guys, workers can submit your site to search engines, you can promote sites, you can dig some websites, you can post on different social media accounts, and that's how you're gonna earn money. Now, once you're on the inside, you can see that there are a lot of these jobs, guys, and some of these are only relevant to USA, for example, some are relevant for India, but some of these are international, and that means you can do them wherever you live on earth. It doesn't matter, you can get your money for yourself if you live in Kyrgyzstan if you want, it doesn't matter. As you can see, for example, this one, this is like certain Visa gift card, and you can do that in 3 minutes and get yourself this amount of money, guys. It doesn't look so much, but it adds up, trust me. And if you click on it, you can see how it looks like. So you are expected to go to this link over here, which is shortened. Then you will complete all necessary steps to participate in the giveaway. You provide a screenshot, and that's it, guys. It takes less than 3 minutes to finish all of this, and all you use is a keyboard and a mouse. You won't get tired, and as you can see, there are a lot of these options over here. So for example, you can just go and watch certain video on YouTube and get yourself some money with that as well. You can just provide some emails of yours and get paid for that, guys, and there are really a lot of options. There is something for everyone on this website, and you can't miss this opportunity. Here, if you click on target workers over here, you can select and filter all of these offers. So if you want only international offers, you will get selected for only those. And as you can see, there are plenty of these. I can scroll down for a year or two, and I won't get to the end of it because there is a lot of jobs here, guys, and there is something for everyone, really. There are a lot of opportunities, and you have to take advantage of it. As you can see, this one requires you to download the app and sign up, and you will get $50. That's pretty easy, right? This one requires you to sign up on certain website, and you will get 50 cents as well. Just sign up on certain website, guys, and there are a lot of really. You can even select here filters, so if you want to find someone which are 80 cents, you can see that there are some of that money. So if you go on, I don't know, 60 cents, there are some for that. But there are a lot of offers. If you click on payment, you will see that there are some for $2.5, and that's great, guys. You can just click on this, and these guys require you to sign up on the webpage, and that's the way in which you're gonna earn money over here. Of course, withdrawal methods are really easy. You can just click on withdraw button over here, and as you can see, they do only PayPal, so you have to have a PayPal account if you don't have already, and that's pretty easy to make. Just go on paypal.com, click here on sign up, and then they will lead you through the process to make yourself a PayPal account. It's really easy to do. Also, you can make yourself your own campaign, so if you need some, for example, YouTube views, you can come here and put the offer here, and someone else will do it for you. Here you can check the task that you finished and available jobs jobs are over here, so you can come to that wherever you want. Whenever you have a free second of your time, I suggest that you come here and turn your time into money, guys, because that's what everyone does these days. You have to turn your free time into money, and don't be lazy, just do it. For example, this one is pretty easy. You can just subscribe to certain video on YouTube, like, share it, and that's it. You earn money. Or for example, just look at this one. You can register on certain website and you can get $1. I mean, $1 for registering on simple website. You already registered on this one, and that's what it requires you to do. It's so simple, guys. My grandma can do this if she knew her way around the computer, that is, but I could show her and she then could make some money on this as well. Also, they have a Facebook page, so you can go there and learn something about this website. You can get involved into community over here. They have some tutorial videos as well, so you can get involved in that, and you can even accompany some people here and you can do these jobs together and maybe earn more money like that, or it will be more fun. As you can see, this guy asked the question, I'm from Nigeria, can I get a job at Rapid Worker? And they say yes, do international jobs in the list. And they are right, there are these international jobs, so if you go and click on international only, you can get these jobs which can be done from anywhere in the world, guys. Or of course you can just select these for, I don't know, USA, Canada and UK, and there are something for those countries as well, and you can just click on USA, and this is for USA. There is plenty of USA jobs here, so that's a good thing as well. Or you can select any other country over here from the list. There are a lot of these, or just click on international. It doesn't matter, guys. You can do something from France. As you can see, simple sign up will get you $1, and that's crazy. When you add all of these up, that's some nice amount of money, guys. Also, there are plenty of videos on Facebook. As you can see, you can get yourself involved here and you can learn a lot about this website. You can find certain offers which are for maybe holiday season, for their birthday or something. You can get special offers and earn more money in the process. And of course, the most important thing is withdrawing your money, guys, and you can do that if your balance is over $8. So that's nice. That's not pretty big threshold. It's good. You can do it via PayPal, as we have said, and to do that you will just have to send an email to this one over here, admin@rapidworkers.com, and you will write to them your email on the site, your PayPal email that you want the payment sent to, and you will send your IP address under last login info. You can find it here. IP address is over here, so you can just copy that and send into that email, and you will get your payment in 24 to 48 hours, so that's really good. These payments are fast, guys. You don't have to wait for long. So all in all, guys, I suggest that you go over here. You can select jobs for you and get yourself some money, guys, because this is really easy, really good money. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.